Naru. We are making 50-100 authentic Naru for our Prabasi 50th Durga Puja. আপনাদের জন্য, আমাদের জন্য, সবার জন্য authentic Naru.
Prabasi team is all excited for the upcoming Durga Puja on October 20th, 21st and 22nd. They have been making Naru sweets. I think more than 50% of the sweets are already made. The total target is 5,000 and I already recorded I think around 2,700 to 3,000 pieces that have been very skillfully prepared with the authentic ingredients. Today we are going to pick a chit for Kumari Puja. Are you guys shaking?
We are all trembling.
All right. Open.
Okay. And the lucky winner is number 10. Who is it? Do we need to pick 3? All right. The second lucky winner is number 6.
Number 1.
বাবা ঘরের মেয়েরাই এসেছে ঘরে।
জাগো দুর্গা, জাগো দশ প্রহরণ ধারিণী, অভয়া শক্তি বলপ্রদায়িনী, তুমি জাগো, জাগো, তুমি জাগো, প্রণমী বরদা অজলা তুলা, গগনধারিণী ত্রিভুবনধারিণী, জাগো মা, শরণময়ী চণ্ডিকা
ये सारे coconut jaggery, somewhat little brown sugar, and you know what the best part about the Naru is we make it with an authentic jaggery that comes from Bengal. It's called patali gur. We have procured jaggery from all parts of India, but there is a special jaggery that comes only from Bengal. It has a very good fragrance to it, and we call it patali gur. So we have added that.
Wow, I can smell it.
You can smell it, right?
It's really so delicious. I'm sure it will taste delicious as well.
So you know these are all kept in 2 tiers. So there is a tier below also.
Wow.
So what you see is not the exact amount. It's double the size.
Wow.
And Friday night we had about 35 volunteers making it, and today we are also expecting some more to come and help us.
Wow.
So we have already achieved a target of 2,700 right now.
2,700 and you are targeting 5,000, right?
At least.
And
We may go
these
more,
are
who knows?
Delicious Narus. And at what time of puja are they used?
We are going to give this during Ashtami Puja, and
Which is on 20th.
which is on 21st.
Ashtami
morning.
is on 21st.
Yes, Ashtami is on 21st. And Naru basically is a favorite food of our goddess Lakshmi, Durga. And Lakshmi is another form of Durga. And Durga is coming all the way from Kailash to visit us. So we are her Maika. And when she is visiting us, this is all the elaborate preparation is what we are doing for her. we'll be making lot of other stuff also, but this is the large scale sweet that we have made. There's more over there.
Wow.
We made a big procurement of about 50 to 60 value pack of coconut from Madras groceries. And
You mean shredded coconut?
shredded coconut.
And that's sweetened as well?
The gur. The jaggery also we got it from Bengal, one Bengali store. And that's very authentic. I mean, it's very rare to find that also in Bay Area. And we mixed it with jaggery and coconut. And the cooking process for this Naru is extremely tedious. Who makes, they know. And it's a big achievement by our entire team. We are going to soften a bit by putting it in the microwave. কোনটা? পাটালি গোটা কি সুন্দর না? গন্ধটা কি সুন্দর জানেন? He is also making good with us. Youngest chef. और জন্য mix.
Can you take these two? Yes. Take these. 375. Every that
you here today.